Hi guys, Jake Taylor here. This will be another food review, mixed review on English for breakfast. It's got baked beans, tomatoes, because baked beans, that's how you could tell it's English, and black pudding as well, eggs. Yeah, you can have all sorts of fried eggs, scrambled, beans, bacon, sausages, fry bread or toast. You get all that. That's what English breakfast is, all them together in one plate. I love English breakfast. It's one of my... I don't eat it now and then because it's not fully healthy, because it is a fry-up, and if you have a fry-up every day it'll be unhealthy. But I like it. Basically, it's one stable thing in Britain. That's why it's called English. There's American breakfast, they have different things. They don't have beans, it's just mainly meat in America. But we have beans and eggs. Yeah. I've got to make sure it's cooked properly because I can't have raw eggs because it affects my tablets if I have raw eggs. So I have to make sure it's all cooked properly. Cooked through, with the bacon and that and everything else. So yeah. Basically, yeah, English breakfast is one of my favourite things. Comment below and what's your favourite on the English breakfast. Thank you and bye. Oh yeah, and it's a 8 out of 10 if you comment, if you want to, if you like, if you want to. And see you on the next video. Bye and thank you.
It does that when it records.
Okay.
It's the same battery. So it's still recording.
It's weird not being able to see what you